Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to get a free Minecraft skin in Minecraft Java. First you're going to open up Google and type in skin decks. And you want to press the first one. Then you'll see this. I'm just going to type in what I want to get. You could type in it, or you could go in editor and you can make it. So when you want the skin, you want to press it. Actually, not this one. Press it. Then at the side, you want to press download. Then you want to press that on the bottom, so you'll see this. Then you want to press the three dots, save as, then save, then close everything off. Then you want to go on Minecraft Launcher. Then you'll see skins on top. You want to press it. You want to press new skin, browse. Then you want to press go on downloads and then press it. What you did. Open, then you got it. Then you can name it. Then you press use and you got it. Now I'm gonna go in a game and see what it looks like. Now, single player, create new world. Let's see if it worked. Okay. My arm does look different. So let me see. Yep, it did it. You could get any skin you want. Anything. And it'll come out like this. So that's how to get a free skin in Minecraft. Bye.